Good morning, everyone. So, in the previous session, I told you how to use a Kahoot app by using Google Chrome, right? So, here in this small session, I need to tell you that here you can go through a Kahoot app also instead of going through the Google Chrome like that by going to Kahoot website. You can just go through that Play Store. So, in your mobile, so everyone is using Android version only, so you can go to Play Store, Google Play Store. So you can go to that Play Store. So I'll show you that how you need to go through that. Go to Google Play Store. So in that Google Play Store, just type Kahoot. So when you got the Kahoot, it will be open the first one, Kahoot Play and Quiz, and click on that Kahoot Play and create quizzes. So click on that and install that app. So I already installed and I am opening that app now. You can check on. So go through this app. If you install for the first time, it will ask you to again the sign in and login option. So sign up by using your mail ID, or sign in by using your Gmail ID, or by using Drive option. You can just log in, and later after logging, so same as in the last session what I said, so click on that question. So here you will have an option, see home, discover, enter pin and create and library. So click on the create option. So then same like in the last session, in the previous session, how I told you to click on to create the question. So same, click on the enter title and description and add question. So in app version, first you need to enter the title, description, and you have an option visible to everyone or only to you. So visible to everyone. So then again after entering the title so and so, then click on add question. So same, click on quiz or click on true false. So if I click on the click on the quiz, so enter your question here, and later enter your answers. So 4 options you need to give. So enter that answers, and after entering the answers, so click on the time period. Here it is showing the, by default it will show 20 seconds time limit, or if you want to give 10 seconds also you can give 10 seconds, or if you want to give 30 seconds you can give 30 seconds, or if you want to give 60 seconds you can give. So after clicking on after giving the time period, click on done, right? So then same like that, prepare all the questions and prepare the quiz. So this is by using Kahoot app. So in the previous session I used to told you by using Kahoot website, that means by going to the Google Chrome. I told you by using Kahoot web. Okay, so then in the next session I will tell you how to organize a quiz. Okay, then thank you.